G'day guys, and welcome to Medieval Mayhem. On this channel you'll find lots of videos into the whole medieval period. You'll find lots of DIY videos into costuming, you'll find lots of DIY videos into furniture, you'll find reviews of other people's gear, and you'll find historical analysis of the events that took place and why they took place. Who were the main people at the time, and exactly what did happen on those days. Okay, today we're launching or relaunching our 1,000 subscriber competition. So our communities on YouTube and Facebook are growing really well. We've just passed 400 subscribers on YouTube and we've got nearly 100 followers on Facebook, which is fantastic. We've grown really well, really quickly, and it's a nice, stable, healthy growth, and it's really exciting. So we're really chasing a 1,000 subscriber. I really hope that's you. What we're going to do is basically, once we've hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to pick out one subscriber and we'll give you a $50. We will give you a $50 iTunes or Amazon gift voucher. So basically the way this will work is we'll pick out a subscriber for free. All you need to do is be a subscriber and make sure your profile is listed as public so that we can see your name. So that lots of subscribers unfortunately are not, so we don't know who that is. Rightio, and why is this important to us? Well, 1,000 subscribers helps us to make a little bit of money out of YouTube through ad revenue and that kind of thing. This is really important because a lot of these projects can cost a fair chunk of money. They obviously take a lot of time and there's a lot that goes into these videos. So it's really important for us to be able to recoup some of that money. And I think it's also a reflection and an acknowledgement of our growth, which is really important to us. Rightio guys, well, I really hope you enjoy the video. I really look forward to this competition. I think we can crack this within a couple of weeks, by the end of November 2019 at the latest. Who knows? Let's see, let's find out. It's going to be quite exciting and I'm really looking forward to it. Please like, subscribe and share. I'll catch you in my next video.